I'm gonna go back to my experience in law school. My second year was hell on earth. Hell on earth.
Same.
Diba? So, parang after nun, I said, na-realize ko na kaya ko palang magbasa ng case ng, alam mo yung, I don't know if you see it in your head, pero nagbo-bold yung words na kailangan mo mabasa.
Hindi naman siya nagbo-bold, but I know what you mean. Yes.
May
Selective
keywords,
reading,
yeah.
selective reading.
Sobrang bilis ko mag-selective
Ganda
reading.
naman ang visual, so may nagbo-bold.
Yeah. Gumagalaw yung text. Sana ako rin.
No, kasi tapos parang after, makahanap mo na yung kailangan mong malaman.
Yeah.
Tapos ka na. Parang gano'n na yung nag-review ko third year, fourth year.
The dean in my law school said that the biggest difference between a fourth-year law student and a first-year law student is you know where to find what you're looking for.
Yeah.
Kasi nakakalula before, di ba, first year, bibigyan na sa'yo yung mga constitutional cases na
So,
Yes.
60 cases, my
first
God.
year, sabihin mo, oh my God, I need to read all of this. In fourth year, hanapin mo lang yung kailangan mong hanapin. Tapos yun na yun, right?
Yes.
I think also one of the main ways to survive and to succeed in law school is a solid friend group.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Attorney, how was your friend group nung
Well,
sorry, if you say time mo na parang sobrang 19-something. Hindi.
Yun naman,
Anong year mo yan?
2000, early 2000s, no? Hindi, kasi like I told you guys earlier, no, I went to 3 different law schools kasi, no?
Yes.
I started in Ateneo and it's one of the best friend groups that I've ever had, no? They're all lawyers now. Ako lang yung na-delay ng konti. Pero siguro it was really, really one of the best friend groups I've ever had in my life, no? Hi guys, kung pinapanood nyo ako, hello, no? In my second law school, I went to Davao, no? Which was harder because I but buti na lang friendly tayo.
Yes.
We need to we really need to make friends, no? In order to survive, no? And ganun din yung theme until I finished law. You really need a support group. Speaking of, I forgot what was a question earlier, but I wanted to add one thing that also helped me na I might not advise for everyone. In my last law school, kasi nag-aaral na ako ng matino noon, was na sometimes they'd get annoyed at me. Ma-pressure daw ako.
Yes.
Kasi after I'd study, kiquiz ko na sila. So alam mo na itong ganito. But kasi, my point is, there was a time na I used to teach jiu-jitsu, and now, nung nagkiquiz ko yung mga taong yon, and now that I'm a teacher as well ng law subjects, I find that you retain something more when you teach it, or when you discuss, at the very least, discuss it. Kasi you're forced to remember what it is.
And you can explain it na in the most simple.
Yes, yes. Whereas you just try thinking about it, parang it was kulang, no? But if you're forced to teach someone, this is how it's done, ganyan, you really retain it.
How about you? How's your friend group in law?
Super solid na friend group kahit na lahat sila lalaki. Kasi ako na lang natira na babae sa...
Gusto ko yung kahit lahat sila lalaki. Parang derogatory term.
Kasi ako na lang yung babae na naiwan sa block namin from original block. Tapos super solid kasi share ko lang na nung last year, it was the hardest, darkest time of my life. Nung na-hold up ako, a few weeks before prelims. Yeah, at gunpoint talaga na parang, ano bibigay mo? Bariling kita, ganyan. Tapos yung mga boys sa block, hindi ko naman sila close. Tapos tumawag ako na nahold up ako, di ko ang gagawin ko, ganyan. Tapos takbo sila sa police station, punta sila 4 a.m., sinamahan nila ako. Tapos everyday, sabi nila, Hazel, pasok ka, kailangan mo pumasok. Kasi kung hindi, syempre yung attendance, malaking bagay. Yung prof, malay mo, i-credit na, pasok naman siya, sige, papasok ko na siya. Yung mga ganon. Importante lang sa akin na, sige, pumasa. Kahit na hindi okay yung performance ko, basta pasado ako. Kasi parang feeling ko nung time na yun na yung best na kaya kong ibigay given my circumstance. So up until now, sila pa rin yung kasama ko, and thankfully parang masaya kasi lahat sila magagaling, lahat sila very helpful talagang kapag hindi ko alam, tuturuan nila ako, tutulungan nila ako. So, nakaka-pressure din to also do better and do my best para at the same time matuwa naman sila na okay, si Hazel, ginagawa niya yung best niya. So, dapat tayo rin. So, parang tulong-tulong nandun naman kami.
You know, jumping off your experience, I think one thing then in law school na you get to learn the hard way is deleting what's happened
Yeah.
Like, even no matter how bad it is, and just stick to what's in front of you.
Yeah.
Attorney, do you have like any memorable na bad experience? Sabi ko mo, nangyari na siya, tapos na to, I have to move on.
Yeah.
Wala na akong maalala, naka-move on na. Well, there's some, no? But like you said, what's in front of you takes precedence.
Yes.
No? You find it deep within yourself to do what you have to. Just like I said earlier, my mom taught me to do what I have to do. Then you can do whatever you want after, no? So let's just finish the task at hand. Huwag na natin isipin yung nangyaring masama. Then at the very least, try to make up for it na lang.
Yeah.
Okay, sa bar, ano din, kasi parang it's a 3-day,
Ay, hindi. Four weekends. Yeah.
Now,
4 Sundays.
4 Sundays. Kami ngayon 3 days na lang yung exam.
Bakit siya iniklian? Ano yung logic behind
No, I think this was of the pandemic. This was of the pandemic. As far as I'm aware, yung before the pandemic, it was still 4 Sundays.
Yes.
It was a result of the pandemic yung iniksian eh. Doon na rin pinasok yung typewriter na. Oo. I think it was to give access for those who could not go to Manila because of the pandemic.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, I could be wrong, but that's what I remember.
Okay, sorry. Continue.
Yeah. No, attorney, how important is endurance? Parang kasi battle of attrition din ata ang bar exam. Can you share us with your experience yung 4 Sundays?
Well, speaking of attrition, no, you train, you get the results of what you train for. So, if you studied the way I studied or the way you study in preparing for the bar, that's how long your endurance will last, no? When you actually take the bar. Since sanay ako na mahaba yung oras na nag-aaral ako, taking the exam for a shorter amount of time, na 2 hours lang, kesa as opposed to the whole day of studying, would be easier. Like in Rocky, the boxing movies, he would train longer than the actual fight because that's how you train your endurance to last. You train longer than the actual match, no? So ganun, that's how you endure.
Yeah. Ikaw, I'm sure sa USC and tough din yung exam season.
Oo.
Meron ka bang endurance tips for or aspiring?
Hindi ko alam. Kasi struggling pa rin. Kasi ang hirap sa UST, handwritten kami.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Bakit sa inyo ba hindi?
From the start, exemplify.
Handwritten kami all throughout.
Kasi yung fourth year naman, exemplify. Pero tinanggal yung typing na, kasi sa docs lang kami before. So, ngayon, parang sabi na, okay, tanggalin natin, mag-handwritten na lang kayo. Tapos nakakaloka kasi, syempre, yung mga profs, bibigay 40 questions, essay, tapos 2 hours, 3 hours. Just, nakakaloka tayo kasi sagutan lahat yan. So, parang feeling ko, hindi ko masabi na may certain ako na ginagawa for endurance. Parang nilulunok ko na lang kasi talaga lahat eh. Na, sige, gawin ko na lang.
I think one easy answer pala would be coffee. Talagang lakas ko magkape noon. Grabe. Oo.
Hindi na ako nagka-coffee.
I'm a Red Bull person. Red Bull.
Okay, fine. Nung time ko hindi kape, Cobra with ginkgo biloba. Para kunyari mas smart. May green na Cobra noon. I don't know kung meron pa rin eh. Pero yung may ginkgo biloba yata yun.
Hindi na ako nagka-coffee kasi may one time sa Civ Pro 1. Traumatic na Civ Pro 1. Sabi namin, hindi siya magpaparasite kasi, basta hindi yan, ganyan, hindi coffee ako, aral ako konti, ganyan. Tapos bigla, nagtawag, ganyan. Tapos siya, nag-grill talaga siya, ganyan. Sobrang anxious ko, sumuka ako after, never na ako magko-coffee kasi nag-palpitate ako during the session. Hindi na ako nakasagot, parang, ang tanong lang sa akin about signature, okay, ano na lang tayo, tea na lang, tea.
One thing I'm keeping for my bar prep is I'm not gonna try anything out of the ordinary. That's nothing new. How I studied before, ito na yun. Diet, lahat. It's the same thing. And also, I think one of the tips talaga nung isa naming, I mean, when we ask all our professors in school, how do you prep for the bars? Kung ano lang yung ginagawa niyo before yun eh.
Yeah.
Parang if you try something new, baka mag-overload lang. Yeah.
That's really true, no? And not only in preparing for the bar, ganyan din, like, since I'm back to jiu-jitsu now, when we train the kids for competition, we always advise them, don't try anything new for the first time. The tendency to fail is huge.
The training, training.
Yes, yun lang talaga.
Okay, enough about bar prep. I'm gonna ask you, do you have any legal hot takes? Okay, while you're thinking, I'll start.